Hi, this is lesson 68 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2 second edition, and this lesson is about proportions when you have mixed numbers, finding proportional values for mixed numbers. Alright, so here our problem is 4/9 over x equals 2 1/5 over 1 3/4. Alright, so the proportion is 2 1/5 over 1 3/4. We've got to find out if the 2 1/5 part were cut to 4/9, what would the 1 3/4 part be? That's x. Alright, the first thing you need to do when you've got these mixed numbers is turn them into an improper fraction. It just makes it so much easier. Alright, so 2 1/5 becomes 11/5. 1 3/4 becomes 7/4. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 4/9 over x equals 11/5 over 7/4. Now, in proportions and ratios, you know that you cross multiply to solve for x. When I do that, I get 11/5 x equals 7 times 4 is 28, and 9 times 4 is 36. Alright, and then I've got to get rid of this 11/5 so I can get x by itself, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 5 over 11. I get rid of that. X is now by itself, which is what I wanted. Can 28 over 36 be reduced? Yes, it can, because 4 will go into both. It'll go into 28 7 times and into 36 9 times. So that's going to be much easier. 7 times 5 is 35, and 9 times 11 is 99. Okay, not wasting a lot of time. Your first practice problem is 1 3/4 over 2/3 equals 5 1/4 over x. So let's turn these top two into improper fractions. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4 over 2/3 equals 21 over 4 over x. Cross multiply, and you'll get 7/4 x equals 21 times 2 is, let's see, no, I can cross cancel here, because 21 over 4 times 2 over 3, I can make that a 1, 2, 1, 7. So I've got equals 7 over 2. Alright, now I need to get rid of the 7/4 to get x by itself, so I will invert and multiply. And here again, I can do some cross canceling. Those cancel each other out. This becomes a 1, that becomes a 2, and my answer is 2. Alright, moving on. Here we've got 3 that we're going to need to turn into an improper fraction. Let's get started. 13 over 4, 13 over 4 over p equals, let's see, 13 over 6 divided by 42 over 10. When I cross multiply, I'm going to get 13 Now I've got to get rid of this 13 over 6, so I'm going to convert and multiply.